Hey fam, wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and also say thank you so much to all the people who are following the page recently, and thanks to everyone who's listening to the Healing Frequencies and the Chakra Balancing and Healing Frequency playlist that we recently put out. It's incredible to see a community forming around what I'm calling bridge music. So bridging the gap between the shamanic, the ancestral, the healing, and the EDM, the play, the fun. Because we get to be the bridge and have it all. It's pretty incredible. So anyway, I'm just so moved because we put out a playlist a couple days ago that we expected to get maybe 10 to 30 people following a day, maybe. And we have hundreds of people every day coming and following this playlist because, well, at least for me, what that says is people are hungry for connection to music. Using music for healing is one of the most powerful tools we have. And so we're going to continue to be on this journey of bringing this into the world, and can't wait to have you on the ride with us.